Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another coloring page for Rosemary's Color and Create with Us You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary at Rosemary You Rock Art channel. So this week's coloring page is, I think it's the Flamingo coloring page. And this, I tried to color the flamingo as best I could. I've looked online with different variations of flamingos, and they're not always pink. Sometimes they're a little orange. I don't know if you can see it. And you can see all my coloring is not that great. Oh my god. It's hard to color with color pencils, but I love how I did down here with the dark green and the lighter green and the dark red. It kind of blends together better than, the feathers of the flamingo. So this is this week's coloring page for Rosemary's open collaboration. Um, she has selected this book, this coloring book from Amazon, and you don't have to have this coloring book. You can color whatever you like. If it's another coloring book that you have, or coloring images, or you can even just create something and come on and share on Mondays. So that is my page for this week. I can't wait for next week. um, I am going to be on vacation and I will not be able to post, but I will do a catch up once I get back. So I want to thank Rosemary for this great collaboration, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.